is the water heater, and it discharges outside, and the temperature pressure relief drain line discharges too high outside. And safety pan as well. It does have a care and use manual. It's a Bradford White, so I don't know the exact year. I'm thinking 17, about 3 years old, maybe 3 years old. Well, it'll be in the report. It's 50 gallons. I do know that. Serial number T, that indicates the year it was manufactured. So I'll get my cross-reference out. We'll find out about that. It has a care and use manual, like I said. It has a circulating pump, 3-story. That's a pretty good thing. The gas line has a sediment trap. That's a pretty good thing. The water pressure is okay, so maybe a newer installation. An expansion tank might have been required, but this installation, no, it's not required. The water supply line should be insulated when they come in contact with the tank. The temperature pressure relief valve should be insulated, period. Now this is a PEX system that goes to the circulating pump. It's electric circulating pump. A PEX system. Well, PEX is not supposed to be closer than 18 inches to the tank. And this is on the cold water side. You'll probably never have an issue with this. I get that. But it's not supposed to be. And over here where we have our water hammer baffles, I forgot the word for a moment. That'll come to me in a minute. Bumpers. That keeps your pipes quiet, but this PEX line is likely, it's probably 12 it's 18 inches away from the tank. But this one on the cold water side, if it is the cold water side, it is not. We have a single vent here, and I can't see that this is a B vent. We'll find out. Okay, there's our B vent right there, a double wall B vent, a single wall flue. Not acceptable. That's for something else besides a water heater. Just saying. So that's what we got. While we're here, we're just gonna go a little further. The hot and cold. This is the cold water connection. Hot and colds are connected. We have a 3-prong electric clothes dryer. And I thought I saw a drain on the side of the building for the laundry. But I'm not noticing one of those. I'm not noticing the drain in here. It might be on the floor underneath the equipment, but I don't see it. You might want it if you're going to store art in here. And this is in the laundry. The water heater's in the laundry. The indoor air handler, upstairs indoor air handler is in the laundry. So it's kind of like a laundry video, kind of.